Hi gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special, slightly different unboxing for you guys. I got a new shipment from a company called Moonmagic. Now you might be thinking to yourself, Moonmagic, what are they? They are a jewelry company. They do all sorts of like rings, bracelets, earrings, necklaces, really you name it, watches, it's all on their website. I fell in love with a few pieces here and they finally arrived. So I went ahead and removed my shipping label already from this side of the box, and let's go ahead and open her up and see what she has to offer. All right, ooh. So opening up inside the package, let's get rid of my return label, we don't need that. We do have, oh, look how cute those are. Not quite a rosy color, but like a blush box, colored pink box with a silver reflective bottom, very cute. And it does have the Moonmagic jewelry logo here in the box. So I love that it's stamped on the box itself and on the outside of the box, because as you guys know, when companies write their name out here, I think it's a perfect way to advertise. Let's go ahead and open her up and let's see. Oh, that's cute. Ooh, ooh. Such a beautiful color combo, guys. Truly it is. It was a blue opal is what they said, and then in a rose gold setting. I really was fascinated with the color combination of the blue and rose gold. I would normally have not have paired those two together. So here we go, moment of truth. Oh, she fits wonderfully. Oh, I love it. It's a perfect color. It's shiny just like me. You gotta have fun where you can. Oh, okay. So it fits great. I'm a size 7 ring and it fits like a true size 7. It's not small at all. I do have a little bit of wiggle room here. It's great, super shiny. I love that rose gold finish and that gem. It's really reflective. It looks like it has some, almost like a glitter flake in it. It's very shiny the way it bounces off the light. And I got one more piece, so let's go ahead and open up this last one here. And again, it came in the same blush pink box with the Moonmagic jewelry logo and still the same silver reflective bottom. We're gonna open her up and ready? Ready? Just kidding. Okay. Ooh. Now this one, oh, she's gorgeous, is a moonstone in yellow gold, and it's actually in the shape of, I believe it's called a marquee. But look at that detail. Just look how gorgeous that moonstone is, and you see the blue reflective in it, and then of course the interesting detailed band with the gemstones on the side. Again, you can't ask for anything more beautiful than that, guys. I like different designs. I like things that are you don't see every day. I like interesting bands. I love designs, and I love the night and anything moon related, so this definitely called out to me. And Moonmagic, actually, you know what, let's put it, yeah, let's put it here. And there we go. It is. You can definitely see like the raw material on the inside. I like the, I guess you would call them like natural veins of the stone. I think the gems are very pretty. When people would always ask like, what do you want to be when you grow up? I really wanted to be a gemologist. So stones and gems are my hobby of mine. So I am very appreciative of the moonstone and this entire setting, and that band is just, it's gorgeous. So again, there's the two up close. so over the moon excited with how gorgeous these are. They appear to be really high quality. Like I said, I love the stone, I love the setting. There's a nice weight to these rings. So gorgeous. I feel like that's so very me. I really feel like either of these rings can go with most of my outfits, and it's just the perfect way to express myself. Like, it just matches me. I hadn't seen these rings anywhere else online, and when I saw these really interesting settings and the beautiful color combinations and even the metal finishes they offered, I knew I found a company that would suit my needs. So researching a bit more online, a bit more about the moonmagic products itself and the company, they only use ethically sourced gemstones. Was just the really sort of like unique cuts. Like, I can't really say I've ever seen a stone cut like that or a setting with the moons without it being, I don't want to say childish, but without it being very playful, I guess. You know what I mean? I feel like this is a really beautiful setting. It doesn't scream like, look at me, but it's just so intricate. And they say each piece is handcrafted, so I gotta say, the craftsmanship, top notch. Now, the thing that sold me really about the company was that they work very closely with charities. And as you guys may or may not be aware, I absolutely stand for fundraising. I love companies that support other charities, that give back to other causes. They've partnered together with a charity called Trees for the Future, where, again, every item that is purchased through moonmagic is one tree planted from Trees for the Future. Together, collectively, they have planted roughly about 15,000 trees. So that's amazing. Obviously helping our environment, helping with the clean air, and of course going green and giving back to Mother Nature. I will also have a link for the Trees for the Future charity down below. If you guys want to go ahead and check them out, or maybe make a donation, or seeing how you can volunteer and partner with them yourselves, that'll all be below. I really get like sophisticated, like witchy poo vibes from this, which is perfect since it's Halloween coming, which is my favorite season. This one, can we see that detail? Like, goodness, see that reflective. Another great thing about moonmagic is that it's really the manufacturer. So from moonmagic, they're gonna hand make them and then they deliver it straight to us. I am so happy. I honestly think I'm gonna just wear these every day and like never take them off ever. Now let's talk about their prices. When I was browsing the site over the past, however long, they've had constant sales. Like I said, they have a new line coming out, which was already on sale if you basically like pre-ordered the selection. So honestly, it's fantastic. A bunch of various price ranges, so there'll be something to fit every budget. Oh my god, I'm so excited. You don't say. Just wow. Total wow factors. I mean, seriously, when have you ever seen a cut or color combination like this? You haven't. They're definitely unique, and that speaks to me in volumes. It's not some cookie cutter, you find it everywhere, and these are so special. Thank you again, moonmagic. You made this girl's day. Underneath the jewelry boxes, that again has the moonmagic jewelry logo, and again, it color matches the blush, but look at it's a nice accordion, pretty long. It's a really handy pamphlet because it does talk about, of course, their little thank you from purchasing from us, but it talks about the materials that the bands are made with, how to treat them, about your specific jewelry care to help your items last longer. And then again, it invites you to be a part of their Instagram. And then, of course, we have the hashtag See the Magic. Mine as well, if you have an Instagram account, and check them out, follow them, give them a big thumbs up from me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and wear these out and about today, and I have a feeling they're gonna draw a lot of attention. These are statement pieces, like they're sophisticated and refined statement pieces. Some of you may have heard of statement necklaces that are, you know, big and bold and chunky and like tons of layers, or have a lot of intricate beadwork and really just kind of are in your face. I feel like these, with their unique designs and color combinations, are just sort of this statement piece, but it's refined. It's not necessarily in your face. It's just like, yes, I am here. I feel boss vibes, right? It's like I feel powerful and in control. So stay tuned, we'll find out. And I wore the rings out and about on a few little errands that I had to do today. Nothing too crazy. I actually did receive a few compliments on them. One lady did compliment me, especially on the color combination, and she was like, "Oh, blue, and is that rose gold?" And I was like, "Yeah, it's rose gold." And she was like, "Oh, why not yellow gold?" And I don't know. And she was like, "Oh my god, the color combination is so pretty." Thank you. She was cute. And then another lady, actually, and I moved the moonstone ring to my thumb because, I don't know, it was just more comfortable there. On the moonstone ring, they said it was a really gorgeous setting. They hadn't seen anything like it before. And then of course they asked me, what stone is that? It's a moonstone. Where'd you get it? Online from a company called Moonmagic. And then I first forwarded them onto the website, so that was a lot of fun. Thus far, would I recommend Moonmagic to people? Absolutely. I've gotten numerous compliments just on the few trips to the store that I had to go do today, just doing my normal errands, and people noticed. Clear that they take care of their gems. Their gems are a good quality, at least this one. I am so in love with this one. This one, this color just like takes me away. Like this one, I feel like my statement when I just want that pop of color, and this one is just my everyday, just look at me, I'm fabulous. Well, where else can I go and show these off? The world needs to see these. I'm so thrilled with each of these choices. So thank you again, Moonmagic, for all that you've done. Definitely a match made in paradise. Yes. If you guys liked my unboxing, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and help a sister out. And I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye. Mwah.